Ladies and gentlemen, this tutorial is scheduled for one look, introducing to you the broke beauty guru, your host for Wrestling with Beauty, the ring queen, Lexa Rose. I should have like an applause track come in, like, yeah! Okay, so today is a very, very exciting day. I got some goodies from Beautylish. If you didn't check out my unboxing, then just go to my channel and check it out. What are you waiting for? I mean, it's thoroughly hilarious. I got a couple of nice new things. First one of them is the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub in French Toast, and I got one also in Strawberry Gum. Both very tasty, although Trigger is very fond of the French Toast one, which I think is cute. I also picked up the Liquid Frost in Frostbite. I had tried it before at an ECBW show, and I really liked it. I got a couple of these Styla liquid eyeshadows as well, so I'll be trying that out later on. Also, I got Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Clout, and I got a couple of sugar pill items too. I don't know if they're, oh, here we go. We've got two of them. This one is Velocity, which is like a very intense blue. And this one is Kimchi, named after Chicago-based drag queen Miss Kimchi. And then my biggest piece is obviously the hottest eyeshadow palette today, the Rivera palette, and I'm so excited to get my hands on this and just start working on it. I've got a couple ideas. Nothing too crazy, just a little simple 3-color look, and as you can tell, I've already prepped my eyes. I'm ready to go. A bitch is ready to go. I have been dying to try this ever since I saw the PR pictures and stuff like that. So with that being said, let's get this tutorial rolling. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna get right into Bahamas, and we're gonna just throw that all over the crease, because then we're gonna just blend it out. It's gonna be a really simple look, maybe 3 or 4 colors tops. Okay, so next we're gonna blend that out, and we're gonna go right into Monte Carlo, and we're just gonna blend out Bahamas. Okay, so next we're gonna take cans, and we're gonna just throw that in to deepen the crease. Just a teeny bit. Okay, so we're gonna just take the same brush that we used for Monte Carlo to blend Bahamas, and we're just gonna blend that purple. Okay, final step, we're gonna just go right into Mediterranean, because I just wanted to try this color. I swatched it along with Inheritance, and oh my god. So we're gonna just throw this right on the lid. Okay, so next we're gonna just take Seaside, and we're gonna put that right next to Mediterranean, right here on the outer corner. Okay, I decided to be a little bit more creative, and I'm gonna go right into Inheritance, because it was one of the my favorite colors to swatch. And we're just gonna put that right in the inner corner, and ooh, that is pretty. That is very, very pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna line our eyes with our Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. Okay, so now that we have done the eyes, we're gonna go right into the face. We're gonna go right into our Fenty Pro Filter in 250, And we're just gonna lightly dab all this on. This pretty much kind of goes a long way, like their concealers. And if I only use a little bit, I can get sheer coverage instead of looking like a total freaking Donald Trump impersonator. So let's just get as much of this as we can on my face. Fuck you, camera, for going off on me without permission. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our Tarte Shape in Fair Neutral and Tan Sand. I keep putting light neutral. It's Fair Neutral. I'm an asshole. Forgive me, Tarte. And we're just gonna apply these to the high spots. And we're gonna buff it out. Okay, so now we are going to take our airspun powder and we're going to set this bad boy. Or as I like to say, set it and forget it. Now, the best thing about makeup is you could get a foundation that completely does not match your effing skin tone, but with contouring and a lot of patience. See, nobody notices the difference. Even though I am freaking pale as a vampire at this point. Not Jeffree Star pale. Not that that's a goal of mine. I'm Puerto Rican. Pale doesn't really suit me very well. So, yeah. It's not easy being a pale-ass Puerto Rican because everybody always assumes that you're Caucasian. It's like, I'm not white. Not that there's anything wrong with being, you know, of a lighter skin tone. But I'm not trying to be, you know, like people assume that I'm a Trump supporter or anything because of the color of my skin. People have been really on that shit. So we're gonna go right into our contour palette. We're just gonna set some of this contour. Next, we're gonna go right into our NYX Fard Ombre. Sorry. I don't know why I've been doing that. I did that in one of my other videos too, like, but it's funny. And you like it. Okay, I've been waiting for this moment since yesterday. Jeffree Star Liquid Frost and Frostbite. Anyways, yeah, literally that. Like, I'm twinkling here. Okay, so now that I kind of diffused some of the highlighter, not really, but we're gonna go right into this palette and we're gonna hit up, we're gonna go something different. We're gonna go into Sapphire and we're just gonna throw a little bit on top. I'm not trying to look like a Smurf disco ball. Holy shit, I feel like a disco ball, but that's okay. Now we're gonna grab our our mascara, Perversion from Urban Decay. And to finish, we are going to try our Jeffree Star Liquid Velour, or Velour Liquid Lipstick in Clout. Okay, last but not least, setting spray. There's a decent amount here, I think. Feels empty, but it's really not. So let me finish getting the rest of myself ready and I will be back. And this is the completed look, trying out the new Rivera palette and some other makeups that I had purchased from beautylish.com. No, I'm not sponsored by them yet. But it came highly recommended to me by Eris Rain, who has like so many Jeffree Star products. It's ridiculous. But she recommended it, and the best thing about it is they give you payment, so you can pretty much buy whatever you want, you know, within your budget, and then you could just make incremental payments through, you know, within 3 or 4 months. So that's great for someone like me who wants to get makeup now but doesn't have all the money. I could just put a small down payment and then another one and another one and another one. So that's how I've been doing things. I've just been really excited about 2019. So many good things have been coming. More bookings. We've got merch, 8x10s, t-shirts. Just hit me up and I could send them over to you. I've got a couple of other things coming in the mail. And, you know, a lot of my friends have been doing big things. So I'm very proud of Nyla Rose and Sunny Kiss for making it to AEW. God bless. You know, you guys have earned it. I remember seeing Sunny Kiss in the locker room, sharing the locker room with Sunny Kiss. And, you know, I've even shared a locker room with Nyla Rose. And they're amazing people, amazing talent, and they definitely deserve to be showcased. So with that being said, proud of you guys. Love you guys. I am the Ring Queen Lexa Rose. You've been watching Wrestling with Beauty. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe, like, share it with your friends, get a good laugh, and I will see you on my next video.